So yesterday we have seen how to post the accounting entry from T code FB50. Here only single screen will come. Then we have seen how to post the accounting entry uh, with multiple screen, that is FB01 and F-02 T code. Then we have seen how to display the document, that is FB03. After posting the document, if you want to change few things in the document, that you can use T code FB02. Then we have seen GL balance display report, FS10N or FAGL B03. You can use line item report if you want to see line by line in particular GL, what are the how many time you have posted the journal entry line by line. If you want to see, you can use the T code FBL3N or FBL3H. This two T code will show you the entry view. This one will show you the GL view. You know what is the entry view, what is the GL view. So if you see the entry view for any GL, if in that GL you have not entered the profit center during the posting time, in entry view it will not have the profit center. But if you check any GL report in the GL view, every line item will have the profit center. So that is the difference between entry view and GL view. Okay, so we can see. Then we have seen the trial balance. Then we have seen the financial statement. So this is what we have seen in yesterday class. Okay, so I'm going to post one more journal entry and same process I'm going to show again. Okay, so I'm going to use the T code called FB01. So I'm going to FB01 and I'm giving the date. Today's date I'm giving. Give here document type. Yes, say document type you give. If you want to put GL to GL, give company code US 75. Give currency. Today I want to post, let's say, Euro currency. So this is my transaction currency. Let's say I'm doing transaction in Euro. Give here 40. Then give here GL. Let's say shareholder is investing additional money into the business. So cash account debit to capital account. Okay. Let's say $50,000. Then give 50 and give capital account.
This is in euro.
Euro. Sorry, it's euro. Okay, so 50,000 euro. Now, since both are the balance sheet GL, it will not ask you to enter the cost center. So you can, but you know that if you have activated the new GL, then you have to enter the profit center directly. So go to any line item, you enter the profit center. Okay. Go here, give here controlling area and search it. Let's say I want to post to general PC. Okay, you can enter PC in both the line item if you want. If you want to enter in one line item, also fine. So in the share capital line item, I have entered the profit center. In the cash line item, I have not entered the profit center. Okay, now simulate it. So cash account debit to share capital account credit. 40 is a debit, 50 is a credit, or plus is a plus amount is debit, minus amount is credit. Okay, you can simulate in the GL view. If you simulate in the GL view, somebody had changed. Let me go. SPRO. Financial accounting, general ledger, business transaction. So in practice system, people will keep on changing. Okay, see, somebody had deactivated this one because 99% fresher, they don't have got to solve the document splitting related error. So they'll deactivate the document splitting and they'll practice. Because document splitting is quite very difficult to fix the issue. Okay, so this is okay. Then few more thing he has changed. It's little slow. Not here. Go to here. Okay. Now you have to come back, okay? Because you have to come back and re-enter the journal entry. Go to FB01. Today my server is little slow. Okay, give here date, give here document type. Based on the posting date, your period will derive. So your posting date is 25th June. So June is your sixth period. So it is coming. If we give here July, then automatically here seventh period will come. Okay. So based on posting date, this why today so slow. Okay. So see here 7 automatically it got changed. So based on the posting date, your period will get determined. Okay, go to FB01 again and post in sixth period. Document type essay, post in euro. Give here posting key 40, that is debit. Okay, and give your cash account debit. So okay, just a minute. I'll send email today to him. Give here amount. Okay. So if this is known as a transaction currency or document currency, okay, other currency, local currency is your company code currency, and all other currency value will automatically get converted based on the exchange rate. So that you know, give your 50, and this is your capital. Give here. Then you have to enter the profit center at least in one line item. So click on more and give your profit center. Simulate it. Okay, so this is the cash account debit to capital account credit. Simulate in the GL view. See, €1 is equal to this much USD. Backend it is maintained. Okay, 1.086. So it is coming PCC automatically coming. So this is known as a GL view. This GL view, if you want to see, you can see in the T code this one. Okay, entry view you can see in the this two T code. So if you go in the entry view, only in this line item only you'll find the profit center. In this line item you will not find. But if you see in the GL view T code, in both the line item you will get the profit center. Okay, that is the difference. Now post it. It's taking time. It's very slow. Document number internal, it means the system will automatically generate the accounting document number. If you have maintained in FBN1 as an external, then you had to enter here during the posting time. Okay, all this I have already taught you. So this is the accounting document number got posted. If you want to see from here only, you can see display. This is FB03 T code. This is FB02 T code. Okay, so click on display. You can display from here, or let's say later you want to display, so you can use T code FB03. Okay, give the document number, give the company code, give the fiscal year. If you have posted the document for multiple fiscal year, then system will get confused and it will ask you to enter the fiscal year. If there is only one fiscal year, because we have started our business in 2024, in that scenario if you don't enter also, it will still work. Okay, hit enter, so it understands. So this is how you can display the document. Okay, so this is entry view. In entry view, if you see only in this, you have the profit center. Okay, but if you go in the GL view, in both the line item will get the profit center. Okay, so this GL view part, if you want to see the line item report, you can see in the this one, and entry view you can see in the this one. After posting, if you want to make some changes, either you can go from T code FB02, or from here also you can go. Let's see here. Go to first entry view. So here change button is there. Okay, click on change button. So see, after going into change button, few things you can change. First, this is known as a header. This is known as a header. If you want to know the more detail about the header, then click on this cap. Okay, so see in the header what are the things you can change. In certification, they will, in SAP certification, they will ask this question. After posting the document, what are the field you can modify it? So see header text and this field you can modify after posting. Okay, see these two field only going in the editable mode. All other field are not in editable mode. Okay, go in the line item, double click on this one, any line item. In the line item, assignment field and text field you can modify. Okay, so if you want to write, let's say last time you forget some comment, additional capital invested, so you can add it here, invested by owner. Okay, but you cannot change the amount. Okay, those part is, so wherever it is gray out, you cannot change that one. Okay, so this is the changing the posted document. Now next, if you want to see the balance, you have to go to T code. FS10N either use or FHGL B03. Give here GL for which you want to see. Give company code. Give the fiscal year. Which ledger you want to see. Let's say this is your US GAAP. Either US GAAP you want to see or other ledger. So you can choose the ledger, whatever ledger you have. Okay, so this many ledgers are coming, so you have to remember which are your ledger. So which are our ledger we have created? LG, local ledger is LG, right? So either you want to see the leading ledger value or local ledger value, so accordingly you can choose. and you can check the balance. Click here. So this is the total period wise you can see. Okay. So first is a balance carry forward. Whatever balances you have carry forwarded from last year to this year, that will come in this line item. So as of now, you have not done any balance carry forward. Okay. Last year closing balance will update here as a opening balance. Okay. Then this period one, in period one, whatever you post in the debit and whatever you post in the credit, debit and credit difference it will show here. Okay. Cumulative balance means opening balance and this balance it will update here. Similarly, this balance plus this balance it will show again. Okay. So here this minus this is equal to this, showing this. If I post anything in the 7 period, then debit and credit there it will show here. Okay. Now this and here this difference it will update here. Is it clear? Hello. So this is the cumulative balance including for every period it will consider this one. Is it clear? Hello.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Clear
But,
na?
yes, sir. But we need the your line item wise report.
I'm going. Okay. So at last, this is the closing balance. Okay. This 2099300 during the year end, this is the closing balance. So if you carry forward, this is the closing balance of any GL. Okay. This last one, this one. So if you do the balance carry forward from 2024 to 2025, that time this balance it will update here as a opening balance during the 2025 fiscal year. Okay. So 2024 closing balance should update here in 2025 as a opening balance. When we do the balance carry forward, that will do little later. Okay. That everybody does in the year end time. Now, if you want to see the line item report directly, you can click from here also and go and check it. Or there is just now I shown the different T code are also this. So line by line, you can see the report here. You have posted each document wise. You can post. So first you posted this as a debit, then again you posted, then again you posted, then again you posted. Okay. So you can see here. Now let us go to next report, that is called line item report, FBL3N. Okay. Go to /N FBL3N. This is the GL line item report. Give the GL for which you want to see the report. Give the company code. Give the open date, open items. Okay. Till this date, the date which you give, till this date, whatever document you have posted, it will show. Okay. We'll talk about what is called clear item, all item and everything. Run it. Okay. So like this also you can see the report. If you double click on this one, okay, it will come like this. If you want to see what accounting document you have posted, so you can click and call up over document. So your accounting document will come here. Okay, like this. Again, come back. So it will be there. Here layout option is there. Okay. Any more field you want to bring here, you can bring here. So these are the fields are there. This is the sequence. Okay. So see here in the first it is coming status here, then second coming assignment, then coming document 1 2 3. You can put your own sequence. Okay, you can put your own sequence. Let's say you want to see document first, so put here document 1. Okay, then this one should be 3. So like that if you do here, so here document went in first. Okay, so whatever layout you can build, and you can save also layout. So every time if you select that layout, so it will appear in same sequence. Okay, so this is called line item report. This is in entry view. Okay, this is in entry view. Okay, now see here anywhere profit center is there. Profit. Okay, bring here. Check. See, only in whichever line item you have entered during the posting time, only that line item has the profit center. Other line item doesn't have profit center because during the posting time in other line item, in the cash line item, you have not entered the profit center. So that's the reason it is coming blank. Okay. But if you see same GL in the GL view, then every line item will have the profit center. Okay. Now let us see the report in the GL view. T code is FAGL L03H. Here T code I have written it FAGL L03H. Okay. Oh, there is some dump. FAGL L03H. Dump is there. The dump part we cannot fix. It will go to server person only. Okay, so there is some dump coming for this T code. Let me go to path, general ledger, account. So this is the T code. Okay. No, dump is coming. Okay, so I'll talk about this T code with the server guy and I'll tell him that there is dump for this T code. He will fix it. So if you go in this T code, in every line item, you will get the profit center. Okay, because this is the GL view. This is the GL view. Now, when this is done, this is the trial balance and this is the PNL. So any doubt is there up to here? Anybody has any doubt from the posting point of view and from the reporting point of view?
Line item and GL view, FBL 3N and FAGL 0.
Yeah. Okay, so there is something called document splitting, Sharmila. Okay, in document splitting, what happens? If you enter the profit center in one line item, means in GL view, in the entry view, if you enter the profit center in one line item, only in one line item it will show the profit center. Okay, but in GL view, or let's say because of the document splitting, in every line item there will be the profit center. Okay, so again I'm repeating, in the entry view, in whichever line item will enter the profit center, that line item will only have the profit center. But in GL view, every line item will have the profit center because of the document splitting features. Why in every line item profit center is required? Because you have told in the document splitting setting that I need my financial statement at the profit center level, and you have activated at profit center level. That's the reason in every line item profit center will come in the GL view, and every profit center level debit and credit will match also. Okay, so Sharmila, I'll again repeat for you. You have to remember 2 points as of now. You'll understand later. So after posting the document, there are two views. One is known as entry view, one is known as GL view. In entry view, the way you have entered the profit center, same exactly it will show you. But in GL view, in every line item, profit center will show you. Is it clear? Why it is showing that you'll understand little later. Okay, na? Hello.
Yes, I understood.
Other people have anything, any doubt to ask? Anybody has anything to ask? Samira, do you have anything to ask? Hello.
No, sir.
Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ashok, you wanted to ask something, I think. Ashok, is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear only. The only one major difference. That's it, no, sir.
Huh. That is the only.
Parallel 0H.
Huh.
Okay.
Okay, na?
Yeah.
Fine, right, everyone? So you are clear now with this. Now, if you are okay with this one, then let us see little bit table level also. Okay, very important. As a consultant, you are not much concerned with this. These are individual work. Individual will do all this posting and everything. Okay, you also need to know little bit behavior, but your major work is to table also, because you are going to build a report. So you have to understand how table works. So Sarmila, in SAP, whatever posting you do or whatever configuration you do, everything gets saved in some table. Okay, every configuration will save in the table, every accounting entry will get saved in the table. Okay, so today we are going to discuss, if I post any accounting document, then what is the table, in which table, and how it is going to be saved. Okay, so let us see. So any accounting document you post, there is something called header information and line item information. So I already told you yesterday. Let's say if you are posting any from any T code FB01, so this is known as a header information. Okay, and when you are giving here, this even this below is known as a line item information. You enter the posting key GL, then you went inside given entered cost center, profit center, text. Those are line item information. So this line item information is getting saved in one table or in different table, and this header related information is going to saved in the different table. Okay, so let us understand what are those table. So accounting document header. Okay, it will saved in the BKPF table. Okay, BKPF. In the BKPF you go, you get to know every header related information. Okay, let's say just now you posted one document. This is the document we posted, for example. If you want to see what is the document date, what is the company code, posting date, period, fiscal year, everything, if you want to see who has posted, what is the document type, what is the currency, all this detail if you want to see, not from the T code, from the table, then you have to go to table called BKPF. To see any table, you have to use the T code called SC16N. Okay, this I have already taught you, but try to understand. To view any table, you have to use T code called SC16N. Hit enter. Give here table name BKPF. Okay, then you give any information. Let's say you want to know the document, this document related information. Select this document, give here this document, give the company code also, and execute it. So see all the information of this document. You'll see company code, in this fiscal year you have posted, this is the document type, this is the document date, this is the posting date, this is the period, and this date you have entered, that is 20, server date is 24, that's the reason it is taking 24. This is the time, translation date, this is the user ID, from this T code you have posted, and many more information it will show you here. This is the currency. Okay, see, like this, everything, this is the exchange rate and everything it will show you. So this is known as a header information. So any document header related information, if you want to see, you have to go to T code called BKPF. There is no any other T code than any other table than BKPF. BKPF is the only table which will give you the header information of the accounting document. Now line item. Line item. Okay, now to see the accounting document line item related information, there are many tables are available. Accounting document line item, first BSEG. Okay, BSEG, but in BSEG there is some advantage and disadvantage. BSEG will not show you ledger wise information, it will show only three currency value. Okay, but you can see the line item related information in BSEG also. Let me show you. Okay, so for this document, if you want to see how it was posted, so go to BSEG table, give here company code, give this document number. Okay, run it. So you have posted debit and credit. Okay, so see all line item related information it will show you. You given debit and credit. Okay, so come here. You given this is amount. This is means amount. This is amount. Okay. So this is your document. In fact, I would have posted in euro, then you would have more be clear. So this is your document currency. This is your local currency. Okay. This is your company code currency. Okay. So see here, all other information you can see here. Line item related information, everything you can see. Some text you have given. So every text and all you can see here. Group GL account. So line item related information you can see in the BSEC GL related information. Okay, like this. See, all this detail. Profit center. See, in only one line item you have entered the profit center. So BSEC table will also show the interview related information also. This is also one point you can remember. BSEC will show interview only. If I go to AC Doka, it will show GL view. Okay, so that is also there. So see here, in whichever line item you have entered the profit center, only that line item will show. So like this, lot of see local currency, one local currency, two. So okay, this is the information it is showing. Like this. See, there are many fields. Okay, posting date, document date, currency. These are currency. Okay, currency. Okay, this is your company code currency. This is your this one group currency, and this is your third currency. So only three currency value it will show. Okay, this is your transaction currency. So leave transaction currency. Except transaction currency, there will be three currency it will show. Okay, like this. So this is line item related information. It will show only entry view. Now you have another table called AC Doka. It will also show you the line item information, but it will show the GL view. This is entry view. This is GL view. When you check the BSEC table, only debit and credit two line item you have seen. It has not shown ledger wise. But if you go in the AC Doka, you will see granular level. See here. Take same document and go to AC Doka. Then you'll understand. AC Doka. Give here company code. Give here document number. Run it. Okay. See here, first of all, it is showing the ledger wise. So same accounting entry got posted in your both the ledger. So debit and credit in 0L, debit and credit LG. Okay, because you have not posted the accounting entry ledger is specific. You have posted for both because you have not mentioned the ledger. It will get posted both. So first of all, in the AC Doka, you can say ledger wise the report. Okay, ledger wise report you can see. So debit and credit got posted for 0L, that is your US accounting principle, local gap also it got posted. Now see, there will be granular level. Here all the 10 currency value you can see. See here, you have used only this many currency, 4-5 currency. So Euro, JPI, Turkish, AUD, every currency, all 10 currency value you can see. Other currency will be here. See here, still. But in AC Doka or in BSEC only 3 currency it was showing. And see, PC got filled in all the line item. Okay, because it is GL view. AC Doka will always show the GL view. Okay, you have not entered in both the line item, but it got filled in the both the line item because it is the GL view table. Okay, so see all these details. See, these are the amount information. Okay, and I view all this detail. So this is known as your AC Doka. Okay, so AC Doka will show the GL view. Before AC Doka came, there was table called Fagel Flexa, new GL table. Fagel Flexa. Fagel Flexa also give the GL view table only. It is also GL view. Okay, but in S4HANA, AC Doka replaced the Fagel Flexa. Fagel Flexa table is still there, but it is in the CDS view. CDS view means it is in display mode. Okay, it is in display mode. So this is the table. Okay, this is also will give you the GL view only, GL view report. So before HANA, this table was it was zero in the new GL. Okay, because this was equivalent to SCDOCA table. But now since HANA came, this become, it is not obsolete, but it is not in active mode. Okay, but still you can pull the report, but you should not use this report for this table for any ABAP report building purpose. You have to always use SCDOCA. So give the accounting document number, give US 75, give here accounting document, run it, no problem. Okay, so this is the, see here ledger wise it is showing this, see here, see in this it is showing your extension ledger also. See this, see in this also all the line item is having the profit center. Okay, so this table was zero before SCDOCA came, because this also gives you the GL view here. So clear na, this table also. Hello, table is very important. I'm telling you, as a consultant you have to focus on this area, not in this document posting area, which 99% people are doing. Okay, now is it clear this part? Hello,
It is
clear, right?
clear.
Sir,
Sir,
yes.
if we want to change anything, we cannot change it table wise, right?
You can change, but we should not change it. It will give a lot of inconsistency.
Okay.
Okay, you can change a table level directly. A buffer can change. You can't change anything, but you should never change. Okay.
Okay.
Is there any doubt anybody is having?
Sir,
So again, yeah.
if possible to do any changes in the table level, how can we do? Can you show us?
No, that is not possible. That I can't do. A buffer can only do it.
So while debugging only he can do, right?
So in debugging mode, they can change it.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, na. But in SCDOCA, you can add the additional field also. Okay, that also you can check with a buffer. Let's in SCDOCA, whatever field is given, if it is not sufficient, you can add additional field also. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yeah, thank you.
So these are the information you have to know. Now moving forward, now I am going to teach you how to post ledger specific. Let's say I want to post only in the leading ledger. I want to post in the non-leading ledger. So you have to use the T code called FB50L. Okay, or you can also use FB01L. Okay, so let us go and post it. Let's say you want to post in the local gap only, or you want to post in the US gap only. So you have to use the T code called FB50L. If you use the FB50L, then ledger will come here. Okay, ledger field will come here. Now come here, go to here. Let's say I want to post to LG. Number range I'm not sure, either I have maintained or not. So I'm giving LG. If I post in LG, it will get posted only in the local ledger. It will not get posted in the leading ledger. Okay. While posting, if I don't specify, it will get posted in the both the ledger, leading ledger and local ledger also. But if I specify here local ledger, then it will get posted only in the local ledger. Okay. So you have to understand. Now go here and give your, let's say, cash account, and here is my capital account. Debit, credit, 100,000, sorry, 10,000. Since both are P&L balance sheet GL, you have to give the profit center here. And make profit center fix also. Okay, so we have not maintained the number ranges, so I'm going to maintain the number ranges first. Okay, So this part I have already taught you. If you want to post the document at
First, second,
then come to your number ranges. If you want to post at ledger is specific, okay, for other than leading ledger, then you have to maintain the number ranges separately. That you have to come here, not in FBN1, but you have to maintain here. Define document type in a ledger. So come here. I have already maintained, but in this server I have not maintained. For you, I already taught you. So come here. You have to give, first you have to decide which are the document type you are going to use to maintain the, you are going to use to post the ledger specific accounting document. So I know I'll be using I will also post asset accounting related. I will also post depreciation ledger specific. Okay. Then this is the node. Node means see, I have already taught it. That's the reason I'm always scolding you people. Practice at least 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Otherwise, you'll be messed up if you don't practice. There is no use of joining the class. Come here. Node means this is the node. This is the node, okay? Because I have to maintain for this ledger separately the number range here again. So while maintaining, I have to give node. So we always follow either 99 we give here, or I'm going to give this ledger only as a node. So give here same. If you want to maintain number range for this differently, for this differently, for this differently, for ledger specific posting purpose, use the node different. Otherwise, give same node. In real time, we give same node. We don't maintain separately number ranges for ledger specific posting purpose. So give LG here. Save it here. Then come to here, give LG 999 and give some number ranges here. Let's say I'm using 90 series. 90 series. Okay. LG number will only be used when I want to post only in the local ledger. Okay. So now go here and post it. 90 series number will get generated. See 90 series. Why 90 series got generated? Why 90 series got generated? See, because in SA you have also maintained 01 is also for SA. But why 90 series got generated? Because I am posting only for the local ledger. So when I post for the local ledger, it will go check here in this setup. It will check I'm using SA. For this SA, what is the node given, and for this node, what is the number ranges maintained here. So this is how here, if you refresh it, it will come that number which got generated. Now, if you go in the table, go and check in the AC DOCA table. US 75, give that number 90. You'll find only in one ledger, not in both the ledger. See, it got posted on the leading ledger, not in it got posted on the local ledger, not in leading ledger, because I posted as a ledger specific. Is it clear, everyone? This part? Hello? Clear? Please reply yes, no.
Sir, that number range is maintained in the same FBN1?
Yes, yes.
But
In
not...
FBN1 only have to maintain the number ranges, but in this setup, just now I shown one configuration, right? There you have to tell which are the document type you are going to use for the ledger specific posting.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Is it clear, everyone? Up to here? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now, if you are clear with this posting part, now ledger specific posting done. Next is reversal of document. Reversal of document. Let's say you posted document and you realize that there is a mistake. Some mistake happened and you want to reverse the document. You want to reverse the document. In SAP, any document you posted, you cannot delete it. Posted document, you cannot delete it. Only you can reverse it. Reverse means if you earlier posted cash account debit to capital account credit, if you reverse, then opposite entry will happen. Capital will become debit, cash will become credit. Okay, so ultimately journal entry will nullify. Whole impact will become 0. But you cannot delete the accounting entry. So that is the meaning of reversal meaning in SAP. Reversal means it will pass the opposite journal entry. Okay, then once it pass the opposite journal entry, so original and reversal it will nullify. Then you can post the new journal entry if you want. But in SAP you cannot delete any accounting entry which is posted. So reversal. So you have to understand there are many T code to do the reversal document. Okay. So prior to that, you understand one flow. Let's say, listen very carefully. Let's say you posted vendor invoice. Okay. You posted one vendor invoice. Then against this vendor invoice, let's say you make the payment. Okay. You make the payment to the vendor. Then there is something called reconciliation. You have to do it last bank reconciliation. Okay. Listen very carefully. So if you want to reverse the original document for the first document, then you can use the T code called FB08. Okay. Now let's say this invoice you have already made the payment. Okay. Now let's say you want to reverse the payment document. Okay, which you have made the payment. You have to use the T code called FBRA. Okay, so only first document you have to use FB08, remaining all other document you have to use the FBRA T code. Okay, FBRA, and always reversal will happen from the latest to oldest. What is the meaning? Listen very carefully. This kind of knowledge you will not find anywhere. So listen very carefully. Latest to oldest means, let's say you first posted the vendor invoice. If you have not done payment and reconciliation, then you can reverse from FB08. If you done the payment, then first you have to reverse this document, then only you can reverse this document. If the further invoice, if payment is already done, you cannot go in FB08 and directly try to reverse the vendor invoice. It will not allow. You have to reverse latest to oldest. Means if you have already done the reconciliation also, then you have to first reverse the reconciliation, then reverse the payment, then reverse the vendor invoice. Is it clear? Hello? Hello?
Yes,
so
sir.
any document, if there is no preceding document, there is no subsequent document. For the first time you entered in the SAP, let's say all this document what I'm posting first time, against this document I'm not doing any other thing. Okay, I'm posting, that's it. I'm not doing anything. So all this document I can reverse from FB08 T code. But with that document, if I did do anything else, let's say I did some clearing or I did something, so I cannot use the FB08 T code. I have to use the FBRA T code. FBRA. Okay. And when you are reversing, you have to always follow latest to oldest. So you have to follow first reconciliation reversal, then payment reversal, then invoice reversal. Okay. So this is the thing you have to remember. Now this T code are used for one by one document reversal. If you want to do it mass level reversal, mass means multiple document you want to reverse at a time. Mass level reversal, you have to use T code called F.80. But every T code has some limitation. I'm going to talk first. Let me reverse. So here in our scenario, as of now, we have just posted the document. With that document, you have not done any other thing. So these are completely original. So you have to use the T code called FB08. Okay. So go here, use FB08 T code. Okay, give the document which you want to reverse. Okay, let's say this is the document I want to reverse. Give here reason. This reversal reason you can create your own also. Why you are going to reverse. So let's say clerical mistake. So there are some reason are there, wrong posting, wrong period, something. So you can create your own region based on the business. Let's say this, on which date you want to reverse, everything you can give. If you don't give, then on that date it is posted, same date it will get reverse also. Okay, hit enter and you can save it. Save it. Okay, so this is the document number got generated. You have reversed 11000 this one. For this is the reversal accounting document. Okay, in this, if cash account debit to capital account, then in this document capital account will become debit to cash account. Let us see it. FB03. Let's say this is the reversal document. Okay, so what happened? See here, capital account become debit. See, 40 mean debit, plus mean debit, amount plus mean debit. Here it become debit and cash become credit. You can go to your original also. Here, when you reverse any document, this will get activated. Reversal document. Okay, go to here. So this is your original document. Okay, this is your original document. In this original document, cash account debit to this one. How to identify which is original, which is duplicate, I mean reverse? So go to here, header. So here you will find it. See here, reversed by. Okay, so this is the original and this is by this one got reverse. Okay, so like this, some indicator it will update in the original one, so you can understand. Is it clear? Reversal one by one. Okay, mass level. If you want to do many document reversal at a time, so use F.80 T code.
Sir, can you show the first document header level?
First document FB03.
Yeah. Reversed by it is showing, right? So if you see this document, how it is showing?
This one you want to see?
Oh, 6
This
document.
6 document. For
Yes,
reverse
sir.
for.
Okay, this is clear, sir. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, na? Okay, I was in F.80. Now go to F.80. So mass reversal of document. Give company code. Okay, which are the document you want to reverse? If you don't give any, all the document will get reversed. Okay, so let's say I'm giving, let's say from this to up to 4 document. Okay, 9 series our document. Okay, so this is, let's say this many. If you don't want to give range, let's say you want to then give fiscal year. Let's say you want to give different range here. Okay, let's say 1 lakh document you want, then 1,05,000 you want. So you can give here. This is the random, to give the random number. Okay, if you don't want to give range, you can give random number here. So now all other criteria, if you want to give which for this range applicable for which document, I will essay. So all other criteria, if you want to give, you can give here. Okay, now run it. I'm running in test run. Okay, first. Okay, so it will see this document, it is telling it is already reversed. Just now we have reversed manually. Other than this, all this document will get reversed. If I'm already in test run, either I go in the first screen, remove that test run and run it, or if I don't want to go back, I can directly click on this one, document will get reversed. So however I want, I can do. I am going back and I'm clicking this one, removing this test run, and I'm clicking here. So it will directly get reversed. See, got reversed. So this document got reversed with this document. This document got reversed with this document. This document got reversed with this document. This number got reversed with this number. Is it clear? Hello? Clear, right?
Reverse document, sir.
Hmm?
Can we reverse the reverse document?
That is also, I think, possible. We can. Let
Mhm.
us do it. Take this one, save it.
FBRA is used only for cleared items, right?
Not like that. So anything, listen what sentence I am telling, okay? Not just clear item. What I told, first time original you have to do. Original has any subsequent dependency. See, here I posted one document was having some 100 something. This number I reversed with another number, something like this. So first I have to reverse this one, okay? To you're getting this one, I have to reverse. To reverse this one, I have to use FBRA. Only when you first time entered any document in SAP, that you can reverse with this one. With original one, anything you do, next you have to reverse with this one. Okay, so that one funda you have to understand. Reset and reverse. Hit enter. Okay, so this document, where you have run? So wherever it was there, it will get reverse. Okay, clear, right? Pinket. Hello.
Yes,
Who
sir.
asked?
Yeah.
You
Yes,
got
sir.
it, huh? So
Yeah.
this is Sarmila, you have to remember, huh? You don't forget this funda. Simple thing. What we posted for the first time in SAP, that you have to reverse with FB08. With that original document, if you do anything, that should be reversed with this one. Okay. You have to do with this one. You have to do FBRAT code. Subsequent documents should be reversed with FBRA and original should be reversed with FB08.
Again, we are entering new document.
I'm entering the new document because once I reverse this one, my original document will get into original form. Okay. So this is how you have to reverse. Yes, Armila, if you have anything, you can ask me.
I need fresh batch.
No problem. So you have to join weekend batch. Now I don't have any batch, honestly speaking. Okay. Because in your batch, whoever wanted to learn, they are going video based now. So video will be recorded here. They'll be watching it, and whatever doubt they have, they will be joining some time in the class. Okay. So any doubt anybody has in this one before I go to next? Is it clear up to here? Is
Yes,
it
sir.
clear, everyone?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now in F.80, as a consultant, you have to know one thing. See here, this is the one limitation it has. See here, if I give here two company code, let's say US 75 and US 76, okay? Let's say for multiple company code, I want to reverse at a time. I given here this document and I given here this document. Now, listen very carefully. This is very problem fresher make. One fresher I given to reverse, he reverse for every company code. Because he used master code, he was not knowing the concept of this one. So carefully listen here. What happened here? Let's say for US 75, I want to reverse this to this document. All four document I want to reverse. But for US 76, only let's say 3 document I want to reverse. So how can I reverse at a time?
More options.
Hmm?
I need to pick the right
Go to
direction.
more option. Okay. How can you do?
Select range.
Range is already selected na front side. So here, let's say this, and for second company only, let's say I want to reverse only up to here only. So how do you fill the data here so that for the first company code, 1 to 4 it will get reverse. For second company code 1 to 3 it will get reverse. Okay, so
I
there
think
is no way. Yeah.
we need to give company code as well.
Only one
Both
by one
company.
you have to do. Otherwise, what this program does, listen very carefully. What this program does, for every company code, it will check from this to this document. Okay, so what it will do, it will check from this to this company code, from this number to this number, it will see, it will go this company code and reverse. All 1 to 4 it will reverse here. Again it will take 1 to 4 and it will go here also and it will reverse. Okay, so in that logic it is working. It is not that for this company code only 1 to 4 reverse, for this company code only 1 to 3 reverse. That is not possible. So always mass reversal you do company code specific unless in both the company code you want to reverse same documents. Okay, same documents. Don't give range of the company code. Otherwise, in every both the company code, all the document will get reversed. Okay, selective way you cannot use in this program. This is the limitation of this mass. So always, let's say in US 75, if you want to reverse up to five document, then give only US 75. Don't give US 76. Then give again US 76, whatever number you want to reverse it, but don't give multiple until unless, let's say here also 4 document you want to reverse and here also 4 document you want to reverse, then give range here. Then both the place it will reverse same document. Is it clear? Hello? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear, na? No doubt, right? Okay. Okay, if you are clear with this also, now moving to next one. Now, next, let us check from the FIORI. So same thing what you posted in the GUI. These days, whichever client is coming in S4HANA, and most of the clients should use the S4HANA. That is the reason we are giving training in S4HANA. Because earlier SAP told that 2025 is the last for ECC. After that, they will not give any support to client, but they have extended the date. I think they made it 2027. So that is the problem here. So you have to be that's the reason every client, if they are coming from ECC to S4HANA, then most of the clients are not interested to use the GUI. This how you are posting FB 50, 60, they are not interested to know because they already know in ECC. What is new for them? New for them is FIORI. How best FIORI is going to add the value for them. So that's the reason your focus should also be in FIORI. You have to learn the FIORI. There are many projects I have worked where they have strictly asked not to use T code while testing. Everything you have to test from the FIORI. Any test scenario you tested from T code is not valid. Is invalid. Every test scenario should be performed from the FIORI. All the trial balance sheet, ledger, line item report, reversal, everything should be done from the FIORI. Okay. So please also practice from the FIORI. Very, very important. In interview, they're asking also, have you worked on FIORI? Your answer should be yes. Many are not practicing FIORI. If you ask 2-3 FIORI app name, they will not tell. If you ask which are the FIORI app you have worked, they are not able to answer. Okay. So please practice on FIORI. Now how to go FIORI, you already know. Go to here, GUI. I have already saved here FIORI. Where is that? How to see favorite? Here. Go to login. If you, Sarmila is there. So Sarmila, if you want to go from here to FIORI, you have to use the T code call /n UI2 FLP. Okay, then it will bring you to the FIORI. FIORI nothing but like web browser. Okay, so with this FIORI, you no need to log in always in SAP. You can log into your mobile, you can log into your tablet, you can log in your computer, and you can work in SAP. That is the benefit. SAP trying to bring SAP ERP in your finger, like how you are using WhatsApp, Facebook. So same way. Now let me go to, let me log in. So please again I'm repeating, even if I tell you not to tell you, but you should practice from FIORI. Few time I'll teach you how to use FIORI. After that you have to practice it, because process remains same. So first of all, for any T code, you have to find the FIORI app. Okay, how to find the FIORI app? There is FIORI app library, that you know it. I have already taught you. FIORI app library. Go to FIORI app library. This is the FIORI app library. All apps. All apps. Okay, give here FB50. Okay, so these are the FIORI app. Post general journal entry. You can try, maybe 3 are there, so check it. See, this is ledger specific. See, they have given for ledger group FB50L. So like that they are giving. Both are having same FIORI app. So from same FIORI app, you can do the ledger specific posting also, and without ledger specific also. I can see here post general journal entry. Here also post general journal entry. What is given here? Post general journal entry. So almost same FIORI app. Take this one. Go to here. Paste here. God. Click here. Sometime if you're copying not coming, just type few keyword post journal, then it will come automatically. Just type here post journal, something like that. Let's say post general, something like that. See, it came. Okay, give some hint, then it will give all the. Please practice FIORI is very important. This is your header, like how in FB50 or FB01 you're giving header, right? So it is same way. Journal entry date means document date. Take this one. Red means mandatory. Whatever red is there, it is mandatory. Give company code. US 75. Currency. Let us post in euro. See ledger group here in single. Either you want to post ledger specific, not ledger specific. You don't give any ledger, it will get posted in all the ledger. If you give ledger in that particular ledger only, it will get posted. Okay, so same one FIORI app is doing both the work. All other thing, document type is given. Period will automatically derive, not required to give. See any other mandatory thing. Come to line item here. Okay, give here US 75. Give here GL account. Cash account debit to capital account. So whatever you create there, it will come this side in the FIORI. What you create in the FIORI, it will come in the GUI. So give here 2000 euro. Okay, US 75. Give here capital account. Capital. So here if you given debit, give in the credit here. Okay, don't give in again in the debit 2000. Okay, so now if you want to fill other more detail, you have to click on this one. See here on button is there. Click on this one. So additional field will get open like this here below. Okay, so give some, where is profit center field? Scroll down below. Give profit center is a mandatory, at least in one line item. Okay, that's it. In one line item, if you enter, it is more than enough. Okay, now you can minimize. Until see both the line item green is okay. Until both the line item is not fine, this post option will not come. Okay, this post option will not come. It will not get activated. I mean, okay. So total debit, total credit, you can simulate also. You can post also. Post it. So this is the accounting document got posted. You have display option in FIORI also. You can display from here also. Okay, so this is the entry you have posted FIORI. Practice, practice, practice. Now you posted like this. Now you want to see the document display. There is FIORI app for document display. Whichever FIORI app is not there, it's not necessary that for everything there is FIORI app. There are few FIORI apps not given also. You have to discuss with business. Either can you create custom FIORI app or they will be using the GUI. If they said, okay, I can manage from GUI, it's okay. Otherwise, you can create the custom FIORI app also. You can create it. Means your own FIORI app also you can create. So display journal entry, I think, is a FIORI app to display the document. Go here. Type here. Okay. There are two T account view, cross company view. Go to here. Please use this one FIORI app. Again, I'm requesting. It's very, very important. Okay. Give that journal entry which you have. Sorry. What was the journal entry document number? Take this one. Give here. And give company. Everything got filled. Click on go. Okay. So see, this is the journal entry I have posted. Okay. This is the journal entry I have posted. All other thing, any other thing you can add, some field and all will be there. See all this field and all you can add and you can remove to see this one. Okay, so this is layout setting in layout. So I mean initially you'll feel little uncomfortable, but please use it. Okay, this is the future, trust me, this is the future. Now if you know how to post and display the document, there is line item report is also there. If you want to see the line item, then FBL 3 and for everything there is FIORI app. Which one is the FIORI app? Is this the FIORI app? No. Display. This is the balance. Okay. You can see the balance FS10N, not line item. Display GL account balance. Display GL account. This deprecated means it is not the correct app. It is means it is obsolete kind of thing. Okay. So use this one. What is the GL number? 125. Go here. Give company code US 75. Give GL number. Sorry, what is this? Fiscal year 2024. GL 1. Sorry. GL account. Where is cash account? From period and to period. Okay, leave it. Run it. Give mandatory information and run it. So see here, it is showing period wise, like how in FS10 and it is showing, right? This is opening balance. Opening balance, last year balance carry forward. Like this. See, it is showing. You can run the trial balance also. Type here trial balance. I know trial balance, FIORI app name is trial balance only. So this is the trial balance. Comparison, somebody was asking comparison. There is trial balance comparison also, last year to this year. lot of FIORI apps are there, guys. Please practice. FIORI app is highly important. Okay. Many a time, see, these are expected from the junior consultant. We senior consultant can't waste our time teaching you how to use FIORI, how to search FIORI, because it is expected from you. If anybody join just 7 year, 4 year, 5 years of experience, it is expected. Even 2 years people, we expecting this one. Because if you don't know this one also, then it's very difficult. You are wasting our costly time. Then. It's taking time. Why it is taking time? Oh, it came, but I clicked 2 times. It went 1 minute. Trial balance. Trial balance. It was came US 75. Run it. Go. Okay, so it comes like this. You can see. So here some fields are there. You'll understand slowly. Now come here. This is your operating chart of account followed by GL number, followed by their text. This is the opening balance. This is the debit total balance. And this is the credit total balance, and at last ending balance. Okay. So this is how it is showing. Okay. This is your trial balance. Okay. Na? Here graphical representation is also there. See what are the things given. Like this it is given. Either it's starting balance increasing, decreasing, blah blah thing are there. Fine, right? If you want to see the balance sheet, then there are 2 FIORI app. One is known as a multi-dimensional. This one. In this more feature is there. This is the another one. Balance sheet and P&L you can see from this FIORI app. Give the financial statement version APLC. All other period you give comparison period in the period blah blah. Run it. Okay, so this is how it is coming. Your balance sheet, your P&L, like how you are running in the that one. So everything is coming like this. Okay, na? Hello. Clear, right, guys? Everyone is clear. Anybody has any doubt? Hello.
Yes,
Anybody
sir.
has
Clear.
any doubt? Ashok, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Naga, Samira. Clear,
Yeah,
na?
notes. Yeah, clear.
Okay. So guys, please practice. Tomorrow I'll teach you the data migration. Okay, so in real time, you don't post this document randomly. Okay, so now I taught you. Oh, 7:25. Okay, I'll take another 5 minutes. Sorry. So whatever you're testing, let's say you're posting accounting document, you're reversing accounting document, you're running trial balance. For everything, you have to write the test case. You have to write the test case. Test case means very simple. How you are going. Let's say you want to post one accounting document from FB50. So you have to tell test case while writing test case. Log into SAP. Step number 1. Go to command bar here. Give FB50 or go to path. Step number 2. Hit enter. Even you have to write hit enter also, because users are not knowing SAP, for example. So you have to write even enter also. Everything you have to write in the step. hit enter, step number 3. Step number 4, in header information, enter document date, posting date, currency. You have to write this. In line item information, gives this date, GL, this, everything you have to write. After filling the required information, you have to tell them if you want to simulate, then ask them to click on simulate button. You have to write step number 5. Simulation is done, then click on the post button. This is known as a test case. This is known as test steps. So I want you to prepare the test steps. How you are going to post the document, how you are going to display the document, how you are going to see the balances, how you are going to run the trial balance. I want you to write the test steps. Step by step how you are going to test. So same step you have to write, and while testing, for every step you have to take the screenshot. That is known as a test proof, a test document, and you have to attach in the whatever tool you are using. This is how we work in the implementation project. So whatever you are doing, first you have to prepare the test scenarios. You have to give it to the business saying that these are the test scenario I'm going to test. They will tell okay, not okay. Let's say ledger specific posting you have not included in your test cases. They will ask you to please include one test cases for the ledger specific posting also. Now what you will do, if you are following FIORI side, you will tell log into FIORI app, or log into FIORI, open so and so FIORI app, give header information, give the ledger in which you want to post, enter the line item information, click on simulate, click on post, display the document, done. That is known as test cases. Same what step you are writing, for every step you have to take the screenshot and prepare the test proof. Is it clear what is called test cases? And for every test cases you have to do the proper testing. It's not a randomly whatever you want to run, you have to run. No, in implementation you have to test what is already approved by the business. Is it clear what is called test case? Hello, is it
Sir.
clear?
Yeah.
Clear? Samira, Ashok, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
So prepare the test cases tomorrow, okay, for posting the document from the GUI, from the FIORI, displaying the document from the FIORI, from the GUI, okay, running the trial, running the line item report from the GUI, from the FIORI, running the GL balance from the FIORI, from the GUI, running the trial balance from the FIORI, from the GUI, running the financial statement from the FIORI, from the GUI. At least this many test cases should be in your place. I'll be reviewing this in the Friday. Okay, I'll review this in the Friday. Because whenever I ask you what you have done in implementation for this, you have to tell. You people are going completely blank. You are not telling. You are completely focusing on SAP. You are not focusing on all other area. These are the documents you have to prepare during the testing. You don't test randomly. Whatever you want to post, you don't do. Business will give even the GL also. Which GL you have to post, for which GL what field is mandatory. So everything you have to test according to the test cases, test scenario which you have prepared. You have to pass the test cases. You have to take the screenshot of every test cases. Tomorrow if they say that let's say you tested but in UAT time error is coming, they will ask you how you have tested, why you didn't get error. If you have the test proof, then you can say, see, I have tested, I have taken a screen, it was working fine, I will check why it is not working for you. So everything you have to test. To do, these are the process you have to follow in the implementation process. Okay, I'm telling, if you follow it, don't follow it, I can't do anything, because you people are grown up now. Thank you, then thank you everyone. Yeah, bye bye. I'll teach you tomorrow data migration, how to do the GL line item and GL balance data migration. Thank you everyone, bye bye.